So today I'm going to go over HTML number 3 with you. And HTML number 3 is all about tables. And tables have a lot of extra code than we're used to. But I put most of the code on the paper so you can just look at it. So if you look at it, you have to turn on the table. You have to turn on the row. You have to put your columns in. And then you have to turn off your row and turn off your table. So you have columns, you have rows, and you have the whole table, and all of those need code. So if you go down to page 3, that's the actual assignment, you're going to have to look over some things. And at the bottom, I always have extra stuff for you to do. So your colors should match the color in the table, your last modified should be purple, your background should be pink, and you need to center the table, but not the paragraphs and not the last modified. So I'm going to go over this with you real quick, and then I'll show you the code. So as it gets harder, I'm going to take some of the code away, and you're going to have to figure out the code on your own, because I'm not just going to have you copy all the time. You're not learning anything. So it all starts out the same. HTML, start your heading, start your title, end it, end your heading. Okay, right here is where you're going to have to do some work, because right there I have the word body. But if you look down here, I said you need to change your background to pink. So instead of this body right here, you're going to have to use the one from the last one that was body space BG color equals the hex code. So that you can either go look online how to change the body and get the code, or just go back to number 2 and copy and paste the background color in there. You're going to center the table. This is one way to center. That's a new one. And then you're going to go to write a paragraph about this right here. And then you're going to have to start the table border, and you're going to put a caption on your table. You're going to turn on the row, and this is where it gets a little different. I have the first box is going to say green, and you're going to have to make that color green. But if you look at the rest of these, blue, red, blue, pink, orange, black, I can't read, but you know the colors. I don't have all of this code. I only have all that code on the first one, but all that code needs to be on all of those. And then it says change your last modified to purple. I don't have a font color here in front of the purple, so you're just going to have to know that you have to add that. So this is what your table is going to look like, your HTML number 3. This is centered. This is just a regular sentence. You have a title and a table that's centered. Each of these colors on here are the color that they are. And then you have a purple last modified. Just also remember, whatever color pink background you pick, the pink in the table has to be a different color, okay? And then if you look at my actual code, I have the BG color one right there. Then I have the center. I have centering my table. I have putting my last modified on the left and turning it purple. And then look right here. All of these have more code than I have on the paper, because I have the start the row column, change the color, write the word green, turn off the color, turn off the column, start a new column, change the color to red, write the word red, turn off the red, turn off the column. Each of them needs that.